Hi everyone, in this video we are going to make food art. So cut a tomato into half. Now make small slices of it like this using knife. Then we are going to spread it in a row. After this we are going to roll it in a circular form like this. Here we are going to give it a shape of a flower, fix it, and look, it's done. Now take a cucumber and cut a small slice of it. Cut another piece and put it at the bottom of the flower as the stick of the flower. After this, cut another slice of cucumber. Cut two different pieces. Here we are going to make the leaves, so make multiple cuts on it and spread it with your index finger like this, and look, it's ready. We are going to put it around the flower and it's done. In this video, we are going to decorate food plate using these fruits and vegetables. So here we are taking this dragon fruit and make small slices of it. We are cutting 10 small slices and put all of them on this white plate in a circular form, and it's done. Now take an orange, cut it into half and cut many pieces of it using a knife like this, and put it as well inside the shape like this in a circular form. Cover it like this and look, it's done. After this, we are going to take another fruit. We are cutting this kiwi, make small slices of it, and similar way we are going to decorate it further inside the oranges like this in the same way, and look, it's done. After this, we are going to use cherry tomatoes and put at the center. Now we are going to make small slices of other cherry tomatoes and put it around it. We are making a flower here, and look, it's done. Similar way we are going to make more further slices, and we are going to put it at the outermost portion of the plate like this around the dragon fruit and give it further shape, and look how pretty this pattern is looking. And complete the figure by adjusting the fruits, and look, your fruit plate is ready, and how pretty this is looking. You can decorate more plates like this for your guest at your home. We're going to cut this tomato. Here we are going to make small slices from both its sides. We are making a petal shape here using scissors. Don't cut it deep. We are going to cut it like this. Now slightly we are going to slide it. Then we are going to make 5 such tomatoes shape and put it in a circular form like this. Then we are going to peel this vegetable like this. You can take a cucumber like we are doing here and peel the cucumber completely like we are doing here using a cutter. Then we are going to start rolling it from one end like this, like we are doing here. We are making a flower, so roll it like this completely. Then we are going to put it at the center of the tomatoes like this, and it is looking so pretty. After this, we are going to cut another piece, and we are going to cut 3 pieces of 2 such pieces and fold it insides and make a beautiful flower like this. We are going to make 6 such flowers and put all of them one after another around the tomatoes, and look, your food plate is looking very pretty. You can decorate it like this. In this video, we are going to make these beautiful flowers using vegetables. Yes, you hear me right. We are going to make these flowers by peeling this vegetable. First, we are making the leaf by cutting the green vegetable and put it at the center. For now, keep it aside. Now we are going to make the flower here. So make small slices and keep it aside. We are going to cut it like this and make a cylindrical shape like this. Now start peeling it like we are doing here. We are going to give it a zigzag shape like this from both its sides like this. Peel it more until you get a shape like this. After this, we are going to remove all the things and start peeling it. We need this zigzag pattern at the edge. That is why we peel it. After this, we are going to start doing it, and when you peel it completely, start rolling it from one end. Roll it and give it a shape of flower like this. Hold it like this and start rolling it until you get a flower like this, and look, it's done. After this, we are going to decorate it further. We are going to put it at the leaf and put it at the center. Put the cherry tomato at the center. Now press it and give it shape, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.